Hi friends, in last video we have memorized some of the questions on vitamins, and in this video we are doing the chemical name of vitamins. So this is the first one, vitamin A, and its chemical name is retinol. By the deficiency of vitamin A disease caused called as night blindness. Vitamin A retinol, vitamin A retinol. Its chemical name is retinol, and we'll memorize this by a mnemonic called rotinol. Retinol, retinol. You all know it's a Hindi word. We are using roti to retinol. These are some complex words that we have to memorize. For memorizing this, we'll have to revise it again and again. Retinol. So this is a person who is suffering from night blindness, and we are just giving him roti. This is roti, and we are giving to this person. Why? For the vitamin A. He is eating roti. You are getting this one? He is eating roti. And from roti again some more. Eating roti. And from roti we are memorizing retinol for vitamin A. It's very easy and silly one also, but you have to memorize. So vitamin A, its chemical name is retinol, and we have memorized it by the word roti. Its mnemonics is roti. Now let's move to the second one. It is vitamin B1. It's also asked many times in the examination. Vitamin B1, thiamine, and the disease caused by the deficiency of it is beriberi. So how will memorize it? We'll memorize it only by reciting it again and again. We'll just say B1 thiamine, B1 thiamine, B1 thiamine, B1 thiamine, B1 thiamine. It starts from th, and last from ne, no, B1 no, and B th. B1 thiamine, B1 thiamine, B1 thiamine. After doing a few times, you can memorize this easily. B1 thiamine, B1 thiamine. Next is vitamin B12. It's also very necessary, and by the deficiency of this vitamin, a disease caused called as anemia, lack of blood, and this it has property to increase the blood. So vitamin B12, by the deficiency of it, anemia is caused. Its chemical name is quite difficult. Cyanocobalamine. So it's difficult to memorize also, but we have made it easy with the Hindi words. So cyano, this word is a cyano. We are taking it from sena. Ko, ka, bal mean bal. So we have made a fake story. I have made a fake story to memorize this one. At ancient time, if any people suffering from the disease anemia, they had to take vitamin B12, and for that people using sena ka bal, cyanocobalamine, sena ka bal. And how many people in the sena? 12. 1 sena, 2 sena, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So taking the ball of these people on sena, which occupied only 12%, they made some chemical that is used for the giving people who had been suffering from the lack of vitamin B12. So we are doing the same thing. We are now trying to make this vitamin B12 from cyanocobalamine. cyanocobalamine. So these are the old Sena in the ancient history. Let's take some ball. We are taking the ball of Sena. We are taking Sena ka ball, cyanocobalamine, and this is the ball, and we are putting some other stuffs in this ball. This is a Hindi word, but will help us to memorize. We are putting some stuffs in this ball, and lastly we have come with this, and this is B12. After eating this one, people had at that time getting vitamin B12, cyanocobalamine. It's a fake story, and using this we can memorize vitamin B12, cyanocobalamine. You can also make this, but it won't work because it's a fake story. So we have been using this one only for memorizing, and in next video we'll memorize some more name of the chemical name of the vitamins. Thank you.